Here's a certified 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.